Okay, the video starts like this, and then the cut goes out, and this guy needs some motion. Well, hello guys, in a Sunday night like this. Hope you're okay. I've got two packages here to open to do unboxing video, uh, and one of the packages I bought from Biltema here in Finland, and the other package I got from Vivor. So let's open them up and see what it is. So this is the first one. No. Okay, so Vivor sent me this telescopic ladder. Wow. Huh? Wow. Jaha. Hevona. Let's say I hear something on the attic and I want to go there upstairs and look. Then I use this. Nice. Oh. Yo. Guys, let's say you need a ladder and you are driving with a small Toyota Yaris. Let's see if it have room behind the seat in the tractor. So look, no problem here. Plenty of room, so I can have that with me when going to the forest or something. I think it will be really handy to have with me all the time in the car. So there's a link in the description of this video and maybe in the next video also, so you can get this ladder yourself if you want it. You can get 5% off. And if you decide to buy this ladder from Vivor, I will do a small benefit of it also. So yeah. Yes, guys, I have a friend in northern of Sweden, pretty close to Kiruna. His name is MS Frekko, and you can find him also on YouTube, MS Frekko. Eller MS Frekko på rikssvenska. Jo, nej men det här MS Frekko, he likes this light. This light has become famous in Sweden because of Frekko. Jörgens Maskiner has it also, and some other guys have also made a video about this light. And I figured now it's my time to open it up and test it and give my opinion. This is not a sponsorship by Biltema. It's just for fun. So let's open this up and see if it's really that good that Frekko says. So yeah. No. Jag skulle vara enkelt om man skulle få tala svensk, men hedi. För jag en gång kan börja på engelsk så då får jag hålla på. I'm a little bit jealous of these Swedish guys when they can talk Swedish on the videos. But not me. I have to stick to English when I did start that in the first beginning. But yeah, this looks like this, and okay. So if you need to do some service to the car, you can put this yeah, that way. So I can change the battery here, or well, I think this is a good light if it don't break, so then it will be good. Let me know in the comments, guys, if you want to see me test a common rail injector for my Transit. I have changed a second injector in my car now, so it has been a little krotasi. Thank you for watching this small video of mine this Sunday night, and now I will say some greetings in Swedish to my friends in Sweden. Hej, hej till allihop i Sverige nu då. Jag heter Dave Steele och det här, jag håller på och svetsar och skruvar och lagar grejorna. Och faktiskt så talar jag svensk, men jag har ju en dialekt nu som inte ni kanske kände till riktigt. Men hej förstås har ju varit Kai nu i fjol på Eurovision, så ni har ju hört talas om att det finns en dialekt här i Österbotten i Finland, så då vill jag säga hälsningar till Jörgens Maskiner och till Frekko i Kiruna. Ni kan ju få skåda deras videorna och hjälpa dem att växna lite så. Ska du inte nu? Then we go inside.